everybody, my name is Ray. Welcome back to my channel about Unity 3D game development. Last few videos we've been making our player controller and platforms. But what is a good platformer without good assets and rooms? So today I'll be teaching you step by step how to download assets from the Unity Asset Store. So let's get started. So you go in the Unity Asset Store and then you can search for what assets you like. So I'll be searching for low poly assets, which is basically like not that realistic, but it's a kind of style. Like flat. It's not like grass, like spiky and stuff. It's just flat. Like every surface is just flat. Something like this. Like this. See, these are like flat. Look at the wheels. They're not perfectly round. They're just lots of little cubes. So you can download whichever you want. I already downloaded the sci-fi room and it looks pretty cool. So to download it, you click here and then you click, there should be something called download. You click download and then you need to log in to download stuff from the Unity Asset Store. After you download it, and then you click open in Unity. And then you should have a package manager here. And then it's just waiting. I really just want to say that it's like 10% of Unity is coding and 90% of Unity is waiting. So we need to click download. I already downloaded it, so we need to import it. Import. Okay. Now we should have the free low poly thingy. And then let's go to prefabs. Wait, not prefab, scenes. Because we just want the whole scene to be there. To show you clearly, I will maximize the screen. Yeah, this. There's tables, hallways, and hallways that leads to the void, and lights. So now what we want to add is a player. I'll just quickly add the player from the first video where I taught you how to make a player controller. So we make a capsule. Capsule is like the most common object for the player. I'll just put the player here. And then we need to drag the main camera to the player, which is the capsule. And then we now need to position the camera correctly. Let me check if it's on the player's head. It's nearly on it. Go up. Yes, and we create the script called player controller. And then we open it up. And then I'll just use the code for the player controller we did last time. So we just duplicate it. See? Okay, now we go to the new one, which is blank. And then we do Control V. Okay, now we should have that. We save it. Go back to Unity. Okay. Give the player controller to the capsule to make it have it. You see a bit have it. Though I need to put it back here. I also need to add the character controller because the script needs it. And we drag the main camera to this lock. Now we should be able to move. Now we can move in here. Pretty fun. And then we have the hallway and walls, and everything seems pretty solid. Although one thing is kind of boring. It don't have any animals or stuff to be with us. It's just so lonely in here. So I also want to add the animal assets so that we don't feel so lonely. And we can also repeat this to teach you how to download assets, because you might forget. So low poly free, because we're looking for low poly ones. Here's the animals. I actually already downloaded. You click this button, which says download, but I already downloaded, so it says open in Unity. You download it, you log in, you download it, and you click open in Unity. Click this. Now we should have this. Import. You also need to download it in Unity first, but I already downloaded, so I can use it. Import. Okay, now tin, animals, prefabs. Let's see, which animal should I have? This is a tiger, which looks like this. I like the tiger so much. I like the tag. The tiger looks cool. And then we need to give a rigid body and box slider. Box. B-O. And then we add box slider. Not box slider 2D because this is a 3D game. Box slider. Now we need to kind of reposition the box slider. So the 0.5 is the height, 0.6 more like it, 0.6, and then X will be like 1, no, 2, wait, this should be 1, and this should be 2. Perfect. And then I just want it to be floating, and then let's see how it looks. Now we have a tiger in here. We're not so lonely now. Yay, 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 yay. But one tiger seems useless, so we are gonna have many tigers. So we do this, Control C, Control V, which means duplicating, and if it's just in one grid, it'll be so shiny like this. Look, I don't understand why if I duplicate it in one box, it'll be like very shiny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's actually sick, but wait a second. I can't move out, what? I can't move! Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. So we undo it, undo the tigers. So we undo it, so there's not so many, just a few will do. Trick. Okay, these two will do. Hey, look at that tiger, it just flew to us. Boing, boing, boing. Yep. And you can mess with the characters. So that's the end of today's lesson. So let's have a summary. So today we went to the Unity Asset Store and we downloaded the Animals pack and the Sci-Fi pack. And then we click open up in Unity and we have that. We just have it in Unity. And we could use it and play around with it. And I just accidentally broke the game where there's too much tigers and it blocks everywhere you go, so you can't move technically. And that's the end for today. If you like this, you can click the like and subscribe. So